Welcome to Festive Flavors. Today we are going to prepare and cook a healthy tomato soup using my methods and techniques. It is creamy and smooth without using any thickeners. Just pure goodness of tomatoes. Yes, you heard that right, a thick and creamy soup without thickeners. The best part of it is that you don't even need to head to the store. You can make it with ingredients at home. Your kids would love to have another serving, and adults too would enjoy having it guilt-free. Complete with the use of subtle spices that enhance the taste rather than go overboard. Be sure to watch the video till the end to view the health benefits of tomatoes and the ingredients list. Also, please subscribe to the channel Festive Flavors and share it with your friends and family. Be featured on Festive Flavors by preparing a recipe from our channel. Now you just have to take a picture and tag us on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. We will feature your picture and your name in the upcoming videos. Now let's look at the ingredients. Tomatoes 500 grams, carrots 2, onion 1/4, butter 3 teaspoons for the soup, bay leaves 2, green chilies 1 teaspoon chopped, garlic 3, black pepper 1/4 teaspoon, cloves 5, oil 1 tablespoon, black cardamom 1. For the croutons, bread 1, butter 2 teaspoons, garlic powder 1 teaspoon, or you can use minced garlic 1 teaspoon. Now let's begin with the recipe. Roughly chop the star ingredient, the tomatoes, into smaller chunks. You do not need to finely chop them. Chop and keep the tomatoes in a bowl. The secret ingredient of the soup is carrots. Yes, this is a healthy and delicious alternative to a thickener. You will love to add it to your soup guilt-free. Chop them roughly and put it aside. Similarly, chop the onions and the garlic. Please subscribe to our channel Festive Flavors and like the recipe Healthy Tomato Soup. Place a pressure cooker on heat. You can also take a stock pot, but it might take a little longer to cook in a stock pot. Add oil and butter to the pressure cooker. Let the butter melt. Now add black pepper, cloves and bay leaves. Add the black cardamom. Trust me, this imparts a very subtle earthy flavor to your soup. Now add the chopped onions and stir. You do not need to cook them much, just for 1 or 2 minutes is enough. Add the carrots before the tomatoes so that they soften. Carrots would impart the sweetness and the thickness, not to mention the other benefits it provides. Cook them for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add the roughly chopped garlic and stir. Add the green chilies. Now pour in the tomatoes. Stir and mix well. Add salt and close the lid of the pressure cooker. Cook for 2 whistles. For the stock pot, cook till the carrots are soft. In the meantime, let's make some croutons. Take 2 teaspoons of butter for a bread. Mix to it some garlic powder. You can also use minced garlic here. Adding garlic to butter is optional. Next, take a slice of bread and apply this butter mixture to both sides. Now you can cook these in 2 ways. First method is Preheat oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees centigrade. Cook the bread for 5 to 10 minutes till golden brown. Alternatively, you can also put it in a toaster oven to toast it to light brown crust. Here, I have toasted the croutons in a toaster. The toaster method is a quick way to make croutons. When it's done, cut the bread into smaller croutons just like in the video. As the croutons sit, they become crunchier. Do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon to receive new recipe updates. Also, share it with your friends and family. Now, open the lid of the pressure cooker. Strain the tomatoes and take the bay leaves out. Place the strained tomato pulp in a blender. Make a smooth paste. Alternatively, you can also squeeze it out in the strainer. To make a smoother consistency soup, you can strain the pulp again by pressing and squeezing on the pulp. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive new recipe updates as one is posted on the channel. Discard the bits and pieces left in the strainer. Make sure to get the pulp on the underside of the strainer. Mix the pulp to the liquid strained earlier. Place the same pot on heat. Pour the tomato pulp mixture in the pot. Heat it for 3 to 4 minutes. Look at the thick and velvety texture of the soup. You can add a cup of water to this. If you have added water, then let it come to a boil and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Now it's time for the taste test. If your carrots are sweet, you do not need to add sugar. Adjust the salt accordingly. Serve the soup in a bowl. Please like and comment on the recipe if you like the recipe. It gives me immense pleasure to read your comments and to know that you like the recipe. Place a few croutons prepared earlier. Serve it with a dollop of butter. Enjoy your bowl of joy, and that too guilt-free. Now let's look at the health benefits of tomatoes. Tomatoes are a great source of vitamins such as A, C, K. Lycopene in tomatoes helps protect the heart. The antioxidant lycopene improves your eyes too. The fluid and fiber in tomatoes boost digestive health. They help manage diabetes. Cooked tomatoes improve skin health. The antioxidant lycopene prevents cancers of prostate, ovaries, lungs and stomach. Let's look at the health benefits of carrots. The beta-carotene, lutein and zeaxanthin in carrots improve eye health. The beta-carotene enforces the damaged cells and the falcarinol phytonutrient protects the colon. It improves the body's immunity. Carrots are great for dental health. They scratch off the plaque. It prevents menstrual cramps during periods by regularizing the bloodstream. High in fibers, it improves digestive health. It brings down cholesterol. Luteolin and it boosts memory. The ingredients list is also given in the description box below. Please like the video by clicking the like button below. Also click the bell icon to receive new recipe updates whenever one is posted on the channel. Next time we will come with a new recipe. Until then, happy cooking. Namaskar.